In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a page in Canva. You can rotate the page from landscape to portrait or the other way around. To do that, just go to the resize option in the top toolbar and go to the custom size. From here, you can see the width and height of this canvas. As you can see, the width is 1920 by 1080. To rotate the canvas, you just have to switch the width and the height. Another thing that you can do is take a look at these options down here: square, portrait, and landscape. Since this canvas is landscape, you can choose the second or the portrait one. Lastly, you have to choose between copy and resize this design. If you choose copy and resize, there will be a new design with this size in your home page. So for this video, let's just choose resize this design. And it will change right away. So that's how to rotate a page in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.